Most people use Google Maps just to find directions. But what if I told you it can save you hours every week? Today, I'll show you 10 powerful Google Maps web tricks that most people completely miss, from hidden shortcuts to route planning hacks and time-saving features. Let's jump in. Need to visit multiple places in one trip? Instead of searching one by one, use the Add Destination feature. Just click Directions, then press the plus icon to add more stops. This is super useful for deliveries, travel planning, shopping routes, or family trips. And the best part? You can drag locations to reorder your route instantly. Here's a hidden feature many people never discover. Right-click anywhere on Google Maps and choose Measure Distance. Now click another location, and Google Maps instantly calculates the distance. You can even create custom paths and curves, perfect for jogging routes, land measurements, hiking, cycling, or checking shortcut distances. Did you know Google Maps can act like a time machine? Open Street View, then click See More Dates. You can view older images from previous years and see how places changed over time. It's honestly fascinating to compare roads, buildings, neighborhoods, and even your old house. If you constantly forget good places you find online, this trick is for you. You can save locations into custom lists like Want to Visit, Favorite Cafes, Travel Spots, Future Home Ideas, or Weekend Plans. Just click Save, then create your own list. Later, all saved places appear together on your map. Most people check traffic, but few use it strategically. Turn on the traffic layer to see green roads for smooth traffic, orange for moderate traffic, and red for heavy traffic. Before leaving home, quickly compare alternate routes. This tiny habit can literally save hours every month. If you use Google Maps on desktop often, keyboard shortcuts make everything faster. Try these. Plus and minus keys to zoom, arrow keys to move around, shift plus drag to tilt the map. Once you learn them, browsing maps feels incredibly smooth. You don't always need exact names. Google Maps understands smart searches like cafes near me, petrol pumps nearby, best Momo places, ATM near airport, or hotels with parking. You can even search inside a specific area while moving around the map. Before visiting a new place, switch to satellite and 3D view. This helps you understand parking spots, building entrances, road conditions, nearby landmarks, and terrain. It's especially useful for travelers, photographers, real estate research, and road trips. Google Maps is way more powerful than most people realize. Which trick surprised you the most? Comment below. And if you want more useful tech tips, AI tools, and productivity hacks, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.